Can you see this ball? Now this ball is at rest. That means it has some energy. How we can see it has some energy? So when it drops on the ground, it again bounces back. That means it is hitting the ground with some energy. Okay. Or when we hit this ball on the ground, it makes sound. So that shows a simple torch battery consists or possesses chemical energy. It is the energy stored in the molecules of its chemicals. So when we put this battery inside our torch, the torch gives us light. So it has what? Chemical energy. More examples are matchstick, wood and coal or crackers. So when you fire a rocket or any cracker, it shoots up or makes sounds and gives light too. So that is because of the energy produced by the burning of its chemicals. Now heat energy. The energy possessed by a body at higher temperature is known as heat energy. We use this heat energy to cook our food. The energy which helps us to see is known as light energy. Okay. So there are many sources of light energy. Some are man-made and some are natural. Now you are hearing my sound. That is because I am producing sound by vibrating muscles of my throat. So this energy which is produced by the vibrating body is known as sound energy. The biggest example is thunder. Now come to electrical energy. The energy which is used to run electrical appliances is called electrical energy. Magnetic energy. Now magnets can attract objects made up of iron. So this energy can be used to lift up heavy objects which are made up of iron. So such energy is called magnetic energy. See, this is a magnet. Now I can use this magnet to lift up this cell which is made up of iron. You can see? Yes. So this energy by which magnet attracts this object made up of iron and lift it. I can take it. You can see, I can take it to a distance and it will not fall. So this energy is called magnetic energy. But not the least, muscular energy. The energy stored in the muscles of our body is called muscular energy. You use it for playing and doing other work. Now come to renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. The energy sources which will not be exhausted or finished are called as renewable sources of energy, like energy of moving water, sun, wind, etc. And the energy which we get from the sources like coal, petroleum and uranium are limited because Earth has their limited resources are present in the Earth. So such energy resources are called as non-renewable sources of energy that cannot be obtained back. Now let's see energy chain. The ultimate source of all energy is sun. So from there plants prepare their food. Then what happens? Animals eat, and when they die, this biomass gets buried at high temperature and pressure. It turns into coal, and coal we use it in the power stations to generate electricity, and this energy is converted into mechanical energy or light energy or heat energy depending upon the electrical appliance. Now let's see the conversion of energy. So we know energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So the total energy remains constant. it never decreases or increases. So we get chemical energy from the food. So it is converted into kinetic energy or elastic energy when we jump. Then it turns into gravitational energy or potential energy, heat and sound energy. Similarly, the chemical energy of the battery is changed into heat energy and sound and light energy. Okay, if we are playing a mobile or a Walkman, okay, which is used to listen to the music, then that will be changed into sound energy. In mobile, that will be heat energy and lights and sound energy. When your mama uses the mixer or any other electrical appliance in kitchen, then electrical energy is changed into kinetic energy or heat energy or sound energy depending upon the appliance.